If you're a WordPress website owner, you have noticed that your default permalink structure is not the most user-friendly. In this video, we're going to show you how to easily change your permalink structure to improve your website's SEO and user experience. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings. Click on the permalinks. Choose the permalink structure you want from the options listed. Select Post Name from the options is listed. This is the cleanest and most SEO-friendly option. It simply uses the post title as the URL. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below.